Our relations are built on a shared vision of peace, stability, and good governance, as well as African integration. Obviously, bilateral cooperation, in particular, economic and trade, investment, are not reflecting the existing potential. And I remain convinced that we can do much more, and we can definitely do better. In many sectors, as we have discussed it earlier, in particular agriculture, where efforts are being made with a Kenyan company that has started operating in Senegal in the area of irrigation and low-cost agricultural equipment, and other areas such as technology, digitization, as we also discussed earlier, transport, and so many other sectors. As you rightly recalled, we have agreed to work to organizing the Joint Cooperation Commission, which I hope will help explore concrete areas of partnership that needs to be built or innovated. We have noted perfect agreement and alignment of views on the challenges facing the continent. I am aware of your commitment in peace efforts in the sub-region, and I would like to congratulate you for that and encourage you to continue on that dynamics by promising that you will always be able to count on my personal commitment and Senegal's full support for the success in these initiatives of peace and security in the region. Senegal is willing to work together with Kenya for better taking into account Africa's priorities at national, continental, and international levels.